We are back at Navy Pier. Last time, we took you on the Flyover in Chicago and a Centennial Wheel for incredible skyline views. Today, it's part 2 of our Navy Pier adventure. We're hopping aboard the Seadog Architectural Tour. This isn't your typical slow-paced cruise. It's fast, fun, full of Chicago's amazing architecture and stories, all with a touch of humor. And to wrap up the day, we'll take you on a walk along Navy Pier to show what else your family can enjoy when you visit. So come join us as we find out if this is one of the best ways to experience Chicago. Welcome back, Rise Crew. You have Carl here. If you're not familiar with our channel, we're a family travel vlog. We love to go to local spots, tourist attractions, and weird and wacky places. Looks like there's the Seadog. And there is Eiffel. Get off my shot.
Here's my shot.
Pretty excited. We've never done the Seadog Architectural Tour before. Now we got to figure out which one we got and reserve our time. So it's pretty easy to book. So all you need to do is actually go to the Seadog booth. Once you're there, take your Go City Pass and show it to them. They'll give you an actual time, and then you're all set. As easy as that. During the weekend, the tickets cost $57.95 per ticket, and infants under 3 are free. To stay up to 50%, we use the Go City Explorer Pass. With Go City, you can choose from over 40 Chicago attractions and have 30 days from the activation to use your pass. To start saving, click the link in the description to get your Go City Pass through our affiliate link. So we're all booked. It's 2:15 is our architectural tour. 2 o'clock we need to go to the blue sign where we are gonna be waiting to board. So it looks like I think they're gonna take us to Lake Michigan for a little bit and then take us down the river. We made it in time for the Seadog. Once the boat leaves Navy Pier, the tour takes you down the Chicago River where you'll get some of the best close-up views of the city's architecture. I think the other big difference is, compared to the shoreline, is they spend more time here around the Navy Pier area, Lake Michigan, and going around. That was really neat.
Lake Michigan, it's about 300 miles going north and south and a little over 100 miles going east and west. All right, so ahead of us, this is the Chicago Harbor Lock. Chicago Harbor Lock right here, this is what eventually makes our tours a little longer than an hour and 15 minutes. The Chicago Harbor Lock was actually implemented in the city back in 1938.
You'll pass right by the landmarks like the Willis Tower, Marina City, and the Wrigley Building. And the guide does a great job mixing in fun stories and history without it ever feeling too serious.
There we have a Lake Point Tower. Now Lake Point Tower, that is the tallest building east of Lakeshore Drive. Mr. Tom Cruise used to have an apartment there. My 13th most listened to artist on Spotify of the year 2023, Alice Cooper, used to have an apartment there. My ex-girlfriend, Oprah Winfrey, did not live there at Lake Point Tower. That is actually a rumor.
It was really a nice mix of relaxing and interesting. And the views were just incredible no matter where you sat. The kids stayed entertained the whole time, which honestly says a lot.
The Merchandise Mart was built in 1927. This building is so big that it has its own CTA train station attached to it just for all the people that work in here. This building is so big that it actually used to have its own zip code.
So we've done the shoreline boat tour, the architectural boat tour, and we just did the Seadog one. The difference is if you're really into architecture and getting more information in the history of all the buildings, then I recommend Shoreline. But if you just want jokes and hilarity ensuing and the fun like speedboat part and the wind in your face and just enjoying a Chicago summer, then Seadog is the way to go.
That's the office building that Ferris Bueller's father worked in. Now, if you remember that movie, you remember that Ferris Bueller's father looks out and he sees the parade Ferris was twisted and shouting in. That parade took place on Dearborn Street. This right here is Wacker Drive. There is a tiny bit of continuity error going on there, but who cares? It's Ferris Bueller's day off.
And make sure to stay to the end of the tour because that's when you get the speedboat ride portion. It's a fun little surprise and the perfect way to wrap up the trip back to Navy Pier. That speedboat tour? I That was so fast. So when you go on a speedboat tour, you got to make sure you put your hat away, your glasses, and hold your camera very tight if you're going to do it. Because if not, you might not be taking it back home with you. The whole family enjoyed it, and we can't wait to try something like that again. They even have an extreme version, so we'll have to try that next time we come.
I loved it. Like having the wind in my hair was flying all over, even though it's short. But it was really fun to be a part of that one because I've never been on like the speedboat tour in Lake Michigan before. So that was really a fun part.
Seadog was such a fun and exciting way to see the city. From the convenience of leaving right from Navy Pier, to how easy it was to get the tickets, to seeing all the stunning architecture. Plus that unique speed run at the end was legendary. We're gonna have to give Seadog a solid 9.2 out of 10. As we wrap up our Seadog trip here, we're gonna show you the rest of Navy Pier from the outside. But first, time to cool off. It got a little bit hot, so it's time for some ice cream! Woohoo! When you're at Navy Pier, you really have to take a little walk all the way to the end of the pier. So that's what we're doing right now. So this is Chunky Monkey at Ben & Jerry's. That's easily my favorite ice cream flavor. What's your favorite flavor? Put in the comments down below. This is Chicago Shakespeare Theater. And right here is the Odyssey. So that is one of the city cruises. This is where I went for prom. Like after the prom, we all took a boat ride, and that's how we ended the night. Oh, good old high school days. They also have the tallest ship, Windy, which that's the one that looks like a pirate ship.
Okay, you see that ship right there that looks like a pirate ship? It has been on my bucket list since I moved out of Chicago. When was that? 2023, so it's been a while. I want to ride that because you can see the fireworks. If you take the 8:45 one, yeah, you can see the fireworks from Navy Pier.
On Tuesdays.
On Tuesdays. So, one day, next time.
Take a look.
Look how nice it is. So if you've ridden it before, let me know how it is and if it's worth it.
And then there's the original Rainbow Cone. That's one of our favorite places to go. So if you're in Chicago, make sure you try that also.
Oh, I wonder how much it is to get a hotel room here. It's got to be kind of pricey because it's right at Navy Pier. But probably worth it. Especially on a Tuesday night because there's fireworks.
Oh, you know what'd be good with that? If you're in a tall ship, Windy, watching it. Oh, and they also have city cruises here. This is like the big Mama Jamma. Dippin' Dots. I swear I get that every single time I'm over here.
Don't you usually get a churro too?
Oh, churro. Now I want a churro. This is a new one. Tamales. But it's closed. No tamales for Carl. In the spirit of Navy Pier. I wonder what the difference is. But it's a lot of different boat rides. How have you not walked? How long did you live in Chicago area?
A long time.
How many times have you gone to Navy Pier?
A bunch of times.
And you've never walked the pier and take a photo in the end?
I never.
By the anvil?
Nope.
Oh, man.
Whatever. Our tour guide never went up the Sears Tower.
Yeah, he's afraid of heights. Are you afraid of piers? And then right here is the Navy Pier Beer Garden.
Oh, there's a rooftop. Did you know that?
I did not know there was a rooftop there. And look, Eiffel. She's walking to the end of the pier. We're almost there.
For the first time in my life.
For the first time ever. Like a banquet hall area, it is huge. It would cost a lot of money to be in there.
Like if you had can you have a wedding in there?
Yeah.
I made it to the end of Navy Pier for the first time of my life.
I expected that, but not the dance. That is a bonus. And over here is an anchor. Not an anvil like what other people would say, but it is an anchor for everybody. I had to tell Mark that.
It's a Chicago anchor. Donated by the Naval Historical Center, U.S. Navy.
Huh, interesting.
It's an 8-ton anchor.
It's pretty cool to see like everybody out here. The tour boats are out, people in jet skis, people are kayaking. Chicago summers are probably one of the most fun when you go around. Before you wrap up, I just want to take a moment to wish my sister Eiffel a happy birthday today. Ever since we were kids, we've been two peas in a pod, always laughing, exploring, and sharing memories that we'll never forget. Even though she's all the way in San Diego and we don't get to see each other very much, every time we're together, it feels like no time has passed at all. Please go in the comments and wish my sister Eiffel a happy birthday and let her know what your favorite memory from the channel of her is. Click the video link right here to learn more about other things you can do here at Navy Pier.